Personal trainers for scoliosis are fantastic for the person who is not self-motivated. So to have somebody come to your house and kind of make you do the exercises, hey, that really works for some people. There's nothing wrong with that. And what I do is I give the people the exercises in writing with pictures. I'm happy to speak to the personal trainer. We want to have all the members of the team together working to get this scoliosis under control. And if we can bring a personal trainer into the mix, hey, that's a benefit. I don't tell people to have a personal trainer, but if they've got one and they want to use them, excellent. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.